Good morning. It is day 3 in Hawaii. It is around 7:30 a.m. and we're about to check out of our Airbnb. So it is time to say bye to this view. I really liked how this Airbnb was really close to all of the activities that we did yesterday. Okay, so correct me if I'm wrong. We're staying in Haula. We noticed that there's a lot of older folks that are like retired in this area, and we haven't really seen anyone that is like within our age. But yeah, we're officially leaving this Airbnb. So the original coffee place that we were gonna go to was closed, so we ended up coming to the Ritz-Carlton. It's so bougie in here. Let me show you guys the view. The view on the other side is even more insane, but we just got coffee. We got their banana bread latte because I saw on TikTok that a lot of people were saying it was really good, so I'm very excited. This is what it looks like. What? That's good. That is so good. That's so good. Oh my god, that's so good. 10 out of 10. We got to our next destination, which is the Sunrise Shack. I was just telling Oscar that this has been on my Pinterest board for the longest time. There's this, I think, model taking pictures right in front.
And they call us paparazzi.
What do we do? That was very disappointing. We got there and there's like this model. I don't think she's famous. I think she just may be like a model for either like a swimsuit company. We don't know who she is, but there's this model like taking photos and there's like a bunch of people there. But yeah, it was just really awkward. And videos I've seen, like I thought it was just gonna be more full.
I mean, it's empty.
I thought there was gonna be, yeah, it's completely empty, which again, no shade towards that. I don't know. It was just like a really awkward experience. So we ended up last minute coming to Waima Valley to go to the Waima Falls. So I did a little outfit change. I'm so sad because while I was changing, my top ripped. And that was my favorite outfit that I bought on this trip, and I didn't even get any pictures. So I'm sad about that, but it's fine. Little camera. Don't film anymore. But that one's a really We ended up chugging our drinks, so I'm feeling a little buzzed, but we're now inside and it's a 30-minute walk up to the waterfall, and it is very hot, but it is so pretty. It is a beautiful day out.
How do you feel, buddy?
I feel like I'm less drunk, but I'm still a little buzzed.
You ready to go in?
I'm excited to go in. Are you sure it's waterproof? What if it gets...
We're about to find out. It's waterproof. My phone's on. Nah.
Literally like an ice bath.
Just go in. It feels a lot better after.
I know, my body now feels better.
Come on.
It's so hard. Hold my hand.
Nope. Let's go in. Nope. I'm leaving.
Okay, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Okay, it's not that bad.
Feels good.
It does feel good.
To the right. Get closer.
Whoa. I forgot that I'm wearing a life vest, so I technically don't even have to swim.
What do you guys see down there?
So we're gonna go ahead and put the camera down and we're gonna enjoy the waterfall for a little bit longer, and then we'll pick up the camera back up once we're on our way back. So we are leaving now back to the car. We ended up getting a shuttle because we didn't want to walk back. But that was a lot of fun. It was very refreshing, especially because it is so hot today. The guy said that it was 70 degrees, but it definitely feels like it's like 90. It is 12:21 now. So I think we're gonna get back to the car, and we checked into our hotel today in Waikiki. Check-in is at 3, so I think we're gonna go grab lunch somewhere and then make the drive down over to Waikiki because it's about an hour-ish drive. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Bye-bye. Okay, so this is the plate from the bald guy. They ran out of a lot of things on their menu, so this is literally the only thing that they had available, which is steak, fried poke, and then rice in the bottom. That is really good. So I got my plate, but it looks really sad because it's supposed to have garlic, but I don't know if I ordered the wrong thing. It looks so sad, but I have butter.
Looks the same, but
I know. Oh my gosh, I was so excited for this too. Whatever. Oh my god. This tastes like clean shrimp. Okay, so we made it back to Turtle Bay Beach, and it looks so nice. So we got all of our snorkel stuff earlier, so we're gonna go ahead and change and get it. So we're gonna get in, so we're gonna switch to the GoPro.
we almost died.
That was a failing. We didn't even see any fish. We were in there for maybe 10 minutes. I feel like the tide is so strong. It doesn't even look strong. We're beat already. All right, we're gonna try to do round 2 and not drown this time. Here you go.
I don't know about this, guys. When I got out, I was shaking.
You guys, I think Oscar's stalling on purpose.
You know what I felt out there? I felt like, shout out to my buddy Jonathan. That's how I felt. I felt like I was gonna die.
All right, ready? Okay, he's
I go down to their level. I want to get the footage.
yeah. And they're so warm too. It's a little crooked, but we're gonna do a taste test. Oh. This is one of Hawaii's most famous bakery. for their malasads. Is that how you say it?
What?
Malasads? Malasades?
What is this place called? What is this place called?
Leonard's.
What is this place? What were you calling it? Leonard's, bruh.
I keep calling this place Leonard's. I'm gonna get canceled. Wait, but what are these called? These are called malasads. I've watched so many videos on these. So we literally got like a flavor of each. We got one of each flavor. Okay.
It's bringing back memories.
I think this is coconut. That's really good. Okay, next. I don't think this one has a filling. What is this? Look at this one.
What's that?
It's like a big old ball. Ooh, I don't like that. I don't know what this is, but I don't like that. I would definitely come back here. I'm gonna rate it a good like 9.2 out of 10.
What?
Yeah.
Mama feel bro.
These are so good. You ever come here? Okay, so we're all checked in. It is 6:28 and we're gonna go ahead and shower and get ready because we have been in and out of the water all day and I'm looking really crusty. Oscar made a reservation for us at 8 p.m. So that means that we only have about an hour and a half. So I think I'm gonna do a little get ready with me for TikTok. First, I wanna show you guys the pool because it looked really, really cool.
Exiting. Watch for vehicles.
Thank you so much. It is our last full day in Hawaii, so we woke up bright and early to do the Manoa Falls. It should be a short hike. It should only be...
How do you think they got this load of 3/4 gravel here? How much do you think they charged? Material plus export? Like 3 loads maybe? Alright, go. Sorry.
It should only be...
I expect to see little gorillas in here.
Wait, have you seen that TikTok where they like go like this? Go like this.
You look lonely. I can fix that.
It should only be a short hike. I saw that depending on how fast or slow you go, it can take between 1 to 2 hours round trip. So we need to hurry up because we have snorkeling at 10 a.m. and it is currently 7. So we gotta...
Ooh, escalator.
You guys, they said that this trail is family friendly, but I would not consider this family friendly at all. There's so many rocks, you could easily trip.
My question is, like, there has to be some type of predator in here. You know what I'm saying? What is it? Is it a jaguar?
Is we literally hear a dog barking and then a pig. What does pigs do? And then a pig screaming. Wait, maybe they'll do it again. Come over here. This is good clickbait.
What is that? Yeah.
What is that? It literally sounds like the pig is eating the dog. What the fuck? Are we being pranked? Oscar! No, don't run! There's barely any water coming down from the waterfall, but you can see there's a little pond down here. Even though there's not a lot of water, I feel like even just the hike to get here is really, really beautiful. But yeah, it's about to be 8, so we're gonna go ahead and start walking back so that we can go back to our hotel. Oh no, so we can go get coffee first and then go back to our hotel, change, and then go to the place where we're meeting the people to go snorkel. You guys, as we were coming down the trail, we found the blood from the pig and the dog that were fighting. Oh.
To your house.
There's literally just a trail of blood. That is so scary. You could see the trail of blood. Okay guys, so we actually got the times mixed up. Our snorkeling is at 12:30, not 10. So we're gonna go ahead and walk over to Island Vintage Coffee to go get some breakfast. Alright, we came back to the hotel to do a quick little outfit change before heading out to go snorkeling. I ended up putting on this little bathing suit cover-up dress that I got a long time ago and I never ended up wearing it, so I have no idea where it's from. And then the bathing suit underneath is from Shein. But yeah, let's go. airport. We're about to drop off our rental car and go check in. We got here pretty early though, so we're gonna hang out for like 2 hours and a half. But I'm gonna go ahead and take advantage and get started on editing all of my videos. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end out the vlog here. And again, just shout out to Oscar for taking me on this amazing vacation. It has always been my dream to come to Hawaii, and the fact that he not only made me a stay-at-home mom this year, but also took me to my dream vacation. I'm just so grateful. So love you, babe. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed our little travel vlog, and I'll see you next time.